Mr. Pöttering, what could Slovenia expect from your visit today? And also, what do you expect from Slovenia's presidency?
First of all, I want to say my congratulations to Slovenia, to the government, to Prime Minister Janša, to President Turk, to the Slovenian people. My congratulations that Slovenia has the presidency in the European Union. If you look 20 years back and somebody would have said Slovenia will have the presidency in the first half of 2008, everybody would have said this is not possible. I would have said this is a vision, this is a great hope. Now it's a reality, and I think Slovenia and the European Union, all Europeans, can be very happy that Slovenia is part of the free and democratic Europe. And I just had a discussion with young people from the university, with students, and they were very enthusiastic, and I think they had a great sense of happiness to be member of the European Union of values. And here we just visited the Catholic Church, the main church of Slovenia, of Ljubljana, and I thank Archbishop Uran for the possibility to see this church. The Catholic Church, the religion, the Christianity is not only an important part of our history, it's an important part of our presence and an important part of our future. And so I'm very happy to be here today in Ljubljana, in Slovenia, together to open the European Year of the Dialogue of Cultures. And so Slovenia is now in the European Union for half a year, the center of our European development, of tolerance, of understanding. And so I congratulate the Slovenian people.
Thank you very much.
I thank you very much.